Imagine a world where you can type, speak, or control technology using only your thoughts. It sounds like science fiction, but it's becoming reality. Welcome to the future of communication through brain-computer interfaces. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, are systems that connect the human brain directly to external devices. No keyboard, no voice, just pure thought translated into action. It starts with brain activity. Your brain constantly generates electrical signals. BCIs read these signals using sensors placed on the scalp, or sometimes directly implanted into the brain, and translate them into commands a computer can understand. One major breakthrough came with people who were paralyzed, regaining the ability to control robotic limbs, computer cursors, or even communicate just by thinking. BCIs have already allowed people with ALS to type messages at record speed without moving a single muscle. Companies like Neuralink, backed by Elon Musk, are working on implantable devices that could eventually restore mobility, enhance memory, or even allow direct brain-to-brain communication. But the applications go far beyond medical use. Imagine flying a drone with your mind, or having a conversation without saying a word, or downloading knowledge directly into your brain. Still, the road ahead is complex. Reading brain signals accurately is difficult. The brain is incredibly noisy, and every person's brain activity is different. Engineers and neuroscientists are racing to improve accuracy, speed, and safety. There are also ethical concerns. Who owns your brain data? Could thoughts be hacked or manipulated? What happens if this tech becomes mandatory in schools, jobs, or warfare? Privacy, consent, and access are huge questions. If brain-computer interfaces become widespread, they could amplify inequality, creating a divide between those with enhanced abilities and those without. But done right, this technology could be a massive leap for accessibility, education, and connection. It could help people who've lost their voice speak again. It could open new ways to learn, play, and create. Brain-computer interfaces challenge everything we know about communication and force us to rethink what it means to be human. The future of interaction may not be touch screen, but thought streams.